Oh! Well, want to see how amazing this camera is? Ready for it? Ready for it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that! Do you remember walking down these roads knowing that you had an exam behind those doors right there?
No, I've blocked all that out of my memory.
You just don't think about it?
Yeah.
Signals. That was bad. That was bad for me. Oh, do you remember 366?
Yeah, that was bad.
That was bad. I think that was one of like the times that Steven and I bonded more closely than ever before. Because he is the only one who understood anything.
Yeah, that is true. I remember that.
Very easy to think about. Yeah, it's like this is the row that we sat in. That's where we got lectured for stuff that we had no idea what's going on. And one thing is certain, Ben has the unique ability to sleep in any position, anywhere he wants.
Anywhere, anytime.
In every single advertisement now, they're gonna show this building to be like, all of Michigan State is beautiful and modern and fantastic. And then they're gonna get to the engineering building and be like, what the hell is this? This is not what the brochure promised. I don't know when they plan on renovating the engineering building, but I hope they never do it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm the kind of person who, if I suffer, everyone's suffering. I am not at all an advocate for like, let's make it easier for them. Fuck that. Like, do you see how great this building is, bro? Watch this. Ha!
That's pretty bad.
You hear that, right?
That's pretty bad.
Like, it does echo. Echo! It rings.
My first day here, there was like nobody here yet, so I went down there and I was like, oh!
Yeah,
I did it.
there it is. Yeah, there was a lot of alcohol and a lot of time spent at this place. And the line would go all the way back to that 7-Eleven and beyond, every day. This was the first place I did stand-up comedy. We had the stage right here, and you had a whole audience full of white girls in North Faces and their Uggs who were on their phones and were not paying attention at all. And I loved it.
The game press predict that you died. Not like there's a good like number of times it's wrong.
You see, now that thing is like built up.
Oh my god.
That's it! That's it! That's it! Oh! Oh no! Oh, what was that? Oh, what was that? Boom!
Oh my god.
Now, there's no need to squirt from like hot dogs, but he whipped your ass!